Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool 21 cubic foot refrigerator. It's got the freezer on top and fridge on the bottom there. I'm gonna open it up and show you that everything is cooling like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's gonna take a surface temperature measurement, and it's fairly accurate to kind of hold it still there. You can see the outside of this about 77 degrees Fahrenheit and a little bit cooler on top there. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot it. Oh, and there's ice everywhere because I forgot to put a bucket in there. But you can see, nice, cold, ice maker works. Get down here. Now this is also on full blast too, so obviously you wouldn't have it set this cold down here. Oops, and I pushed the wrong button, so. Anyway, you wouldn't have it set this cold down here. But I've got it on full blast coldness, so right here you would just turn that back to the recommended right here, which I believe is about 38. So anyway, you can see though, everything's working perfect. It's nice and clean on the inside and out. Obviously the ice maker works there. So now you know everything works perfect. We'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, have a great day.